Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to apply a visitor visa or a tourist visa to Mexico step by step. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. So guys, first of all, in many cases, you may not even require a tourist visa to Mexico. Of course, there are requirements like passport, like validity and all. But when it comes to visa, in many cases, you don't even require it. And when it comes to submitting the Mexico visa application, you gotta do it at your nearest embassy or consulate, wherever you live. So, for example, in front of you, I have opened the official Mexico embassy site in India. So if you are applying from India, you are going to follow instructions based on this. Now in their see, they have given information for holders of USA, Canada, UK and Schengen visas, holders of any type of valid and multiple entry of visa of these countries, or permanent residents of USA, Canada, Japan, Schengen Pacific Alliance do not require a Mexican visa to travel on business, tourism, or travel purpose for or less than 180 days, 6 months, as long as they present any of the mentioned document at the port of entry. Of course, like in some cases it is not applicable, that too they have defined. Okay, so this is for those who fall into this country category. And again, like if I'm a US citizen, if I'm a Canadian citizen, I don't even need, and there are more exceptions too. Now, but if you have to apply, so what you have to do? So first of all, you need to pay the fee upfront. Like this is for India. Okay, you need to check the instructions based on your location. If you are from India, you need to pay the fee at RBL Bank first, and you need to bring the original receipt printout for the transaction of confirmation. Masking is still required. Okay, and documents should be in one folder. No briefcases are allowed. Bring all the required stationery with you, glue stick, etc. Be informed that if any document is missing or you are unable to provide, then you will have to take a new appointment. No electronic devices will be allowed. So but they have like security as well. For tourist visas, original valid passport and a clear photography of first and last page. Proof of legal stay in India in case the applicant is from other nationality. Of course, if you have Indian passport, then that itself is your legal document to stay in India. Application form duly filled. We'll go for that. Photograph original cover letter given by employer indicating the date of joining. Okay. If applicable, original pay stubs, 3 months. Cover letter issued by applicant stating length and purpose of the trip. Original personal bank statement if self-employed. So you can see that based on your situation. Income tax return, visa fee, yeah, 48 US dollar. Okay, book an appointment through this link. So we'll go through that, but first let's go through the form, then we'll go through the appointment link. Oh, I think I opened the instruction book, but anyway, you have the view of form as well. Photo you gotta stick, reference number, official use, do not touch, name, nationalities, passport details, additional information, your marital status, address, email, phone, legal residence, then trip information, appointment date that once you take, okay, name, signature. For some fields are for minor, like father and mother name, signature, okay. And now I have downloaded the form. This is the exact same thing and it's not complicated at all. And they have given the clear instructions that can be followed. Okay, now let's go back and go towards the appointment. Okay, that how to book the appointment. So this is the link. Let's open and see what the details being asked. So once you are through this link and book the appointment, next is the pay visa application fee. So you have to pay 48 USD and it should be in INR because its current location India, and again if your current location is something else, then you need to pay according to that. And they have also given the exchange for December, electronic transfer and cash, and this is the bank address they have given. So all your documents, and then if it is approved, then you can get in 2 working days, and they have also given the time. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.